Now here's a site that has been transferred over to SiteGround, but it is not yet secure. You can see in the browser here we have a warning that's popped up. So to get rid of that, in SiteGround we can go to our dashboard for this particular website, go down to security here and SSL manager. And then from there, we can come down to select SSL and just go for Let's Encrypt. Click Get. Okay, and that took about 30 seconds, so a little bit of time. I just paused the video there, but you can see now we have the SSL down here listed for this website. So if we go back to, well, first of all, let's go down to the actions, and we can actually enforce HTTPS, which means anyone trying to access the non-secure version will automatically be redirected to the secure version. So I can check that on and just push over the button here. So that's turned it on. And if we go back to our site, I'll open this in a new tab. There we go. So now we have our secure connection.